There's a place on earth, a place of destiny, a place of happiness, a place of peacefulness.
You don't have to go too far, 'cause it's right here where you are. All you have to do is close your eyes, you'll see.
Oh, it seems so strange, but soon you're gonna see.
Many stars are bright, and that's not even at night.
Anytime I close my eyes, shining stars come for me. I wish you'd come and see these shining stars with me. So close your eyes for a moment and stop what you're doing. Stop everything and don't even think. Then put your mind at ease right in the center of your body, and that's it. It's so easy.
First comes the light, then comes the star that's super bright.
Sister stars, brother stars, mother stars, father stars, and even nephew stars. They all come out for you to see, and that's the door to your destiny.
There's a place on earth, a place of destiny, a place of happiness, a place of peacefulness.
You don't have to go too far, 'cause it's right here where you are. All you have to do is close your eyes, you'll see.
Hello, hi everyone, and hello to all the Shining Stars out there. Welcome to our weekly Shining Stars program hosted by Kids Love, Peace, 20.
Hi everyone, I'm Isis.
And I'm Max. Isis and I are both fifth graders from California. Welcome to our weekly Shining Stars program.
We would like to welcome one and all to our weekly Monday evening streaming of Shining Stars program from 6 o'clock to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Facebook and YouTube of Kids of Peace 20. Together with Max and I will be your hosts for this evening.
Our Shining Stars program was designed to showcase the outstanding creative actions and positive thinkings in kids like us and their everyday life.
Moments of joy will be shared, which will encourage children and adults to be better people.
We get to review all the good deeds and actions done over the past week by children like us. So inspiration happens. We get to praise their achievements, and which promotes a happy mindset and a positive environment.
We also include a 10-minute guided meditation at the end, where the benefits of evening meditation lead to a great night's sleep and mental clarity to prepare you for the excitement of a new day.
Parents and friends, help us spread the word around by either smashing the like or share button for your friends, and
leave us a comment at any time in the comment box.
During the program, type over hi so we can see who's on for this evening.
We appreciate your interaction. As Max said, share your comments with us in the comment box you see just below your screen. So let's not wait any longer. So Max, what do we have this evening?
This evening, I present a fun activity, Rubik's Cube solving. A very fun and competitive thinking sport.
I've never played this before. I've tried, but it gets boring after a while. Like I can't, if I were to try, I don't have enough patience and it gets boring after a while. Max, how long have you practiced Rubik's Cube solving? Why do you like it?
About over a year. I feel like a year and a half to a year.
And so why do you like it?
I like it because it like really your ambition is to just get better time to learn new algorithms, and there are a lot. So there's like currently there's like over 1 million algs for every single different thing, every single different method. But yeah, it's just a fun experience to compete against your past time. So, oh, I got what, let's say, maybe 30 seconds. Oh, I wanna get a 29-second solve, a 20-second solve, and even less. And if you're really competitive enough, go get the world record. And like, I think, yeah, the world record right now is like for a single is 3.47. So yeah, it's pretty interesting.
Yeah, many children enjoy playing Rubik's Cube. I saw you have many types of Rubik's Cube. How is each one different and which one is the hardest and easiest to solve?
So yeah, okay. I'm gonna change my screen. So there's a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna start from the easiest, which is actually something Isis can actually do. And the only thing she can actually do, it's a Shriek cube. So I got this from like Christmas, and it's very easy to solve. I think like anybody who just wants to like spin this randomly, like you can just solve it like randomly. You know, it's easy. It's very easy. The next one, there are definitely other ones. This is just a few, but I'm just gonna show like the main ones. So the next one is this, which it looks pretty hard to solve. Okay, let me just scramble it. But I think the hardest part of it is just actually trying to turn it. So yeah, sometimes I have trouble just like trying to move these weird pieces around. But yeah, it's like a cube, but like it like has like different things, and it's a lot more harder to turn. Like I remember like touching it, and all of a sudden it would just pop out of my hands. So the next one is a Pyraminx. So but this is does look pretty hard. It is still pretty hard to turn, though it's actually pretty easy to solve. I think this one you can solve it just with a little bit of practice, and just has like a little bit different things, like you have tips and things, so it's a little bit different. And then this one is a 2x2, which is definitely a little bit harder, but even though this has like less pieces and you can solve this, it's so much faster. It's actually harder as there's a lot more cases and it's a lot less intuitive. So it's still pretty cool, but it's definitely easier than 3x3. So the next one is actually 3x3. So the 3x3 has a lot of different things you can do. A lot of algs you can do. There's different steps, different layers. This one I think has the most. This one has the most algs, definitely out of all of them, just because. So just because this is like the most popular one, so people have created different methods. Different methods and different ways to solve it, though it is actually still pretty simple. As the learning algs are pretty easy. And The next one in step is once you get good at turning with 2 hands, next goal is to do with 1 hand, which is definitely a little bit harder because it's the same thing, but just with more turning and more practice. Actually, it didn't take me just as long as to learn how to solve it, but just trying to turn it took longer. So now we just finished this. And 3 I feel like is, I don't know why, but it was like so hard for my sisters to solve it, but it is, I think, pretty easy. So next one is a 5x5. So a 5x5 just has more layers, and I'm not gonna actually solve this one because this one takes a lot longer. Like it takes takes pretty long, but it has more pieces. And though the stages are completely different, except the end where it is a 3x3 stage, it's just a little bit different. You have a lot of weird steps and some things that are hard to do. So then next one is a 7x7. This one I have it in a pattern, but solving it does take so much longer. This one takes, so I can solve like a 5x5 in like 2 minutes. This one takes around 5, so it takes definitely a little bit longer. It's a lot more heavier, and yeah, it's like you can't do that much solves with it just because it takes so long. The next one is Adobe Diahedron, Pyraminx. So this is definitely a kind of more like a 3x3, just with more sides. Has a lot more. I don't know. I'm just gonna solve it right here. I accidentally scrambled part of it, but yeah, it's definitely a little bit different. And this one, I tried solving it like intuitively, and I did, but it took so much longer, and I had a lot of trouble. This one's the last one I'm just gonna show here today. Obviously, there's a lot more, but this one is like this is called a square one. It's a lot harder to turn. You need to really make sure these pieces are aligned. And actually, there's like no way to scramble with this inside layer. This inside layer, you can just solve it with like some algs, but like it's definitely takes a lot longer to solve. So that's all I have here currently. So I think it's pretty cool.
Wow, very fast. Thank you, Max, for showing how to solve a Rubik's Cube and how fun it is, and all the different cubes. Friends joining us this evening, have you ever solved a Rubik's Cube? Did you like it? How fast did you make it? How fast did you solve it? Share it with us in the comment you see below. Hey, Max, can you share other benefits that you got from playing Rubik's Cube beyond just fun?
So for me, like the Rubik's Cube, it gives like your mind like a challenge because you need to solve it, but solving already takes thinking. But to do it faster and faster, your brain needs to think faster and faster too. And even though there's different ways you can eliminate your brain having to think faster, you still need to think pretty fast. Your brain needs to think, oh, I need to put this here, put this piece here. But another thing you can do is you can kind of wait. So like you if you get good enough, you can go to competitions, make new friends, see people who do what you do, because some people it's a little bit harder to understand. Like for me, I was not understanding why Isis couldn't get this piece to move here and why she was turning so terribly. She was like turning like this. So yeah, that's like some of the benefits and some of the downsides, but all in all, I still would play it just because I can still show people and they will be like, how did he do that? So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. So this evening we have Ming Kwan, Thomas, Landon, and Avery joining us this evening. Landon plays with Rubik's Cubes too. Thomas also does play. Thomas actually averages around like 15 to 20 seconds, which is actually pretty cool. So really great, guys. You're awesome. Thank you for sharing.
Now to our guided meditation. Venerable Clint Kunashawu leads us this evening. Please welcome Venerable Clint.
Hello, everybody. Meditation is just 2 simple steps: relaxation and awareness. So, as we practice, take your time, be at ease. So, let's gently close our eyes. Take in a deep breath. Breathe in the cool, calm, relaxing air. And breathe out all your worries, thoughts, and responsibilities. Just let it all go. Forget about it for the time that we are meditating. Just relax. There's nothing you need to do. There's nothing you need to think about. Just let yourself feel at ease, comfortable. Nothing's here to bother you. You're safe and comfortable. And relax every part of your body, from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. You might feel a wonderful, relaxing wave of energy, helping your body feel more comfortable, more at ease. And once you feel comfortable, we move on to the next step: consciousness or focus. What we do is visualize or imagine your meditation object. It could be a full moon, be the sun, or maybe a shining star like all of you. Just visualize, imagine this shining star floating in your abdomen. This point we call the center. It's the home of your mind, the place where your mind likes to rest. But as you watch your shining star, the beautiful glow helps you feel more at ease, more comfortable. It's as if this shining star sends out this good, positive energy, making you happier, like it's bringing a smile to your face. When you feel cold, it warms you up. When you feel hot, it cools you down. It's like a wonderful best friend, always there with you. Now we just watch our shining star happily, relaxingly. You can even play with it if you'd like. Sometimes your shining star turns into many stars. From 1 star to 2 stars. You can count them. As you'll see, these stars are all here to be with you, to help you feel calm, peaceful, safe. As we stay with our stars, you can even use the mantra to help your mind be more comfortable. The mantra Samma Arahang Samma Arahang Samma Arahang. You can say this mantra in your mind as many times as you'd like, or use your own mantra. For example, relax, sabai, clear and bright. Use your mantra and your shining star to help you feel calm and peaceful. Samma Arahang Samma Arahang Samma Arahang. Imagine your shining star getting brighter and brighter, and the light from your shining star is peace energy, helping you feel more happy and peaceful. And let us share this wonderful energy to everyone around us, filling the entire world with this good energy. Now, very gently and at your own pace, opening your eyes. How are you guys feeling? The best thing about meditation is to notice how you feel now that we finished. So I hope you all feel very good. I see some thumbs up and some smiles. Very good. So hope you all keep practicing every day. Doesn't have to be long, but at least a little bit every day. So thank you for having me.
How do you feel, Isis?
I feel great. And I've imagined a shining star, so I felt calmer and more, I feel better now, actually.
So for me, I when like the big ceremonies or big meditation group or like big meditation, like peace point meditation programs. For me, I learned, my mom told me, so because since I like the Rubik's Cube so much, to imagine a Rubik's Cube, and in my head I just like converted it into like a crystal ball. So other than that, that's somewhat what I did on this meditation. So Avery and Landon, they both feel calm, and wait, not Landon. Feels Thomas feels great and energetic. Thank you, Venerable Cliff, for leading this meditation. That's a good one. Friends, don't forget to meditate as often as you can each week.
And we will see you all again every Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on YouTube and Facebook of Kids of Peace channel.
Don't forget, give us a like and subscribe below for support for our program.
And we will see you all again at next Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye from
Kids Love Peace 20.